Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK Daily Challenge of 5th July 2021. Here this is the problem: Java, Python, Cyber 2022. Just 22. Okay. We just need to convert this Java code into the Python code. First, we for that we should crack this Java code, right? So what they have given is they have created a scanner class or scanner object for input, and then they have created a set which is nothing but a tree set which will get some set of inputs and convert those input into the, here they have specified integer, so it will accept only integer input and it will sort those value without duplicates. Like if we pass values like 1 1 2, it will give 1 2. Same as if we just give 1 3 0 and 0, this is not 30. Okay, 130 0 and 0, it will give us 0 1 and then 30, which is nothing but a shorted value without duplicates. That's the specialty of this tree set. And they have used a while loop which will go until we have uh, until we pass end of statement. Like if we have passing 4 statement or 4 line of inputs and it doesn't have the next line, it will stop here. So it will check for the next line. If it is available, it will go for this iteration, or it will stop the loop at that place. And finally they are printing the values inside this num set. Inside this while loop they are getting all those values which are separated by multiple spaces, which is nothing but single space, double space, new line, not new line, uh, carriage return, and all. This will this is the regular expression for finding escape cases. And then they are typecasting those values into integer format. Finally they are collecting all those values as a list, and then they are adding all those value to the num set which is defined here, and then they are printing the values inside the num set. Let's see how it works. Here this is the code they have given, the same code without any change. Now I'm going to run this code. Here I'm passing inputs like 1 2 3 4 5, and then 10 9 8 7 6 5 again, and then 1 3 5 7 and 9, and also even expressions 0 8 6 4 2 and all. Finally I'm passing end of statement, which is nothing but a control Z expression. So we got 0 to 10 in ascending order without duplicates. Here the 5 occurred twice, but it took the first occurrence, or just a single occurrence. It doesn't consider the duplicate values, and it just sort those values in ascending order, right? We are going to do the same operation in Python programming language. For that I need a ID, Python ID. Okay, first I'm going to get the, or first I'm going to create the list. Like first they have created a scanner class for input. Since we don't need any scanner objects for objects in Python, I'm just going with this one, creating a tree set. But I prefer a list. For that I'm creating a list equal to an empty list, and then they are going for a infinite loop, which means until it has a next line. Since Python doesn't have or I don't know about that loop. I'm just going for a random infinite loop while true, or you can do 1. Inside this, I'm going to check that condition. Try temp list equal to list of map of in comma input that split. Like, I'm just implementing all these 3 lines in Python in a reverse order. Like, first I'm just specified the list, and then I have used the map function, which will typecast the input values into integer values, and then I'm passing or getting the values separated by spaces. Here I don't need to specify anything because by default it will consider or it will split by spaces, no matter how many spaces in between them. Finally, I am just extending my list like they have given. I'm just going to add all those values inside my list. List dot extend of temp list. Instead of that, you can also do plus equal to operation. Yeah, we can able to add list in Python. So if we don't have any next line, or if we encounter end of the statement, we will get some error like uh, okay, let me introduce that error. It won't print. What was that? What is wrong with my code? Yeah, since I have used the try loop, I need a except exception or EOF exception. Yeah, except EOF error, it will print. Yeah, we already encountered end of the state, end of the file. Oops, I think I need to do one more thing. Like, after that I need to break the loop, else it will become a infinite loop and it will act like Doctor Strange at the climax. 1 2 3 4 5, sorry, 4, and then 0. Here I'm passing end of the statement. We encounter end of the file. So in this statement we are going to print the list, which is a sorted set of list. This set will take care of removing duplicate, and this sorted will give us a sorted list in ascending order. So if we do that, 1 2 3 4 4 0, we will get, come on, 0 to 4 in ascending order. But we don't need that brackets and commas, right? To get rid of those, I'm just specifying this asterisk. Now it will work fine. Here I'm going to pass the I think I need to pass those values manually. Come on, where it is? Yeah, here. 1 2 3 4 5, and then 5 6 7 8 9 89. Okay, we'll go with that. 8 8 sorry 8 and 9, then 0. This time we will go for some negative values, -1, -10, -0, and all. And finally I'm going to pass end of the statement. We will get -10, -1 till 89. That's it guys, that's it for today's video. Here, this is the code that you have to fill in that blank space, then it will give you a bronze. See you soon with something else guys. Until then, bye.